Hi guys. So it's currently what time? What time is it? It's currently like 4:12. I've been waiting for Sheila since 3:40 something. Am I shocked? No. But yeah, we're going for my friend's graduation, my partner's graduation. Yeah. Yeah, I look a mess, but I have to do what I gotta do. I just came back the other day actually. Today's the 27th. I came back on Wednesday. But yeah, I'm just yapping now because I'm waiting for Sheila. Anyway, bye. See you on the way there. Hey guys, it's 4:30. That's not happening. What time did I come? He came at 3:40. A whole hour, bro. No, usually you showed like 3:30. Yeah. Yeah, 3:30. Mind I'm supposed to be home by 6. Crazy. But yeah, it's because we're catching up, guys. At least it's gone. It's been a year, crazy. It's been a year, gosh. Yeah. But yeah, now we are on our way to Fogogosha, Westlands. So yeah. Hi guys, so today we're going to get grills done in Isili. I don't know why you'd put your shop in Isili, but yeah, we're going to Isili to get my grills done, and I'm taking you guys with me, so let's go. Okay guys, so we're here at Chief Custom Grills, and yeah, we're deciding on the design. I think I want like a star. Like I'll put it here what I want. And I'm thinking I'm going to get something silver because gold is expensive. I don't know what I thought, but yeah. I'm about to get my measurements done. Yeah. Actually obsessed with my hair. Like, what? I really wish we made this longer, like to match the length of this, but So today we're going for Gondwana. Like, if you know me, I've always wanted to go for Gondwana, so I'm so excited for this Gondwana. But yeah, we're here. I think it's like 2:16 and we're so early, but you know, the early bird catches the worm. And you're going to take pictures, yeah, pictures. Period.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. Winter's here. My dog will probably do it for a Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah. I tried to show him. Yeah. Yeah. Astro. Hey, hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Like a light. Slept through the flight. Like for the night. I did half a zen, 13 hours till I land. Not for the
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, so I've literally been in the house for the last like a week or so, and I decided I want to, you know, get out of the house. So today I'm going to watch F1 and maybe go for lunch with my friend. You know, I have a lot planned for y'all. Like, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh god, I'm so cringy. Yeah, but this is the outfit of the day. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so we were supposed to go to Two Rivers to watch F1, but I wasn't able to make it on time. Like, I was leaving town at 1, imagine. So we decided to come to Westgate. Yeah, so now we want to try sushi. Wish us luck. Yeah, bye. Basket before the movie. Yeah, we're going to try sushi for the first time. I'll be giving you a review. I'm so scared, guys. What is happening? My skin is acting up. It's so good though. My hair is like old as well. I'm traumatized. Let me just eat my fries in peace. Okay, so today I've come to get my grills fitted and to get them, hopefully I get to go home with them. So yeah. Hi guys, say hi. Oh, my grill in a chocolate. This is how it looks though. I have to smile. Can you guys see? I'm cooler than you. I need to apply gloss. I'm cooler than you. Way cooler than you. But in the top I can look like it's not as secure. But it's cool. It's cool. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi. Tell them to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.